Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to remove an Interac e-Transfer recipient from your BMO bank account. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it to ensure you understand each step. Let's dive right in. First, it's essential to note that you can perform this task on both the BMO website and the mobile banking app. Begin by logging into your bank account. Once logged in, you should find yourself on the dashboard. The initial steps are the same whether you're using the desktop site or the mobile app. From the dashboard, look for the Payments and Receivables tab. This should be easily visible when you log in. Click on this tab, and you should see an option under Account Transfers labeled Interac Settings or Interac e-Settings. Click on this option. Now, you'll need to select the Interac e-Transfer recipient you wish to remove from your account. Locate the recipient's name, and next to it, you should see 3 dots, often referred to as ellipses. Clicking on these dots will reveal a menu of actions. From the menu, choose Actions and then select Delete. Confirm your choice by clicking Complete, and that's it. You've successfully removed the Interac e-Transfer recipient from your account. To further clarify, I have a visual aid that illustrates this process. Here's a PDF that shows the step-by-step guide visually, similar to what we've discussed. You can see the Interac e-Transfer, Account Transfer, and Payments and Receivables tabs, followed by managing and deleting recipients. If you found this guide helpful, please let us know in the comment section below. We post guides like these daily, so if you want more helpful tutorials, consider subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.